We need to keep this flat, so maybe you could like several sets of hands. Oh, there we go. There we go. Several sets of hands.
But normally
don't try this.
Don't even.
I'll let you hold that.
Okay.
A little more.
A
little more.
So, guys, we actually should be standing on the tarp. The whole reason we grounded the thing was.
Well, I'm standing on it.
Well, the tarp's not really.
So over on the tarp, everybody. So we're grounded.
And this time the balloon.
Oh, watch out!
Actually, lay the it's best to lay the tank down.
We got gas in there, and I feel some lift. It seems to be billowing.
Do you want a little more, or are you good with
now,
that?
Are we ready with the counterweight?
It's right there.
Okay.
Here, do you have a hold on that?
We're going to need it pretty soon.
Get the string on it.
We're going to need it very soon.
Get
so
the
we
string
know
on it,
how much
Owen.
gas to put in. It's not going to be all the way
Where's
full,
the string?
The whole idea is to stop before it's full.
Probably over there under S.
Here, Coleman, can you hold this? It's recording.
Yeah, sure.
I mean, we got more balloons. Not like shipping was like 2 balloons, like 2 extra balloons.
There you go.
Yeah, I think we're probably got close to enough gas here. We probably drove too much. Because it's got to be. It's got to rise to 30,000 feet before it gets caught.
50 would be better.
It would be better, but I don't think it would generate enough lift to go. Yeah. 2 balloons. 2 balloons would probably do it. We should probably consider that.
That'd be pretty interesting.
So this
Are we
is,
ready?
sorry, I have it on.
We don't know how much the string weighs.
So now, I mean, that's the whole thing. All of a sudden, we've added unknowns and knots and things like that. Weight.
Well,
Cut it.
I think we're close enough. We can always measure the string later. Yeah. Go through all the motions.
Scissors?
Yeah.
What do you want to cut?
Probably best to lay the tank down.
Are we off?
We're.
Yeah, the tank really ought to be laying down. It should not be standing up. Well, it should be. Are you ready to try? You guys talked about this. Well, we're not going to pull the tube out for sure.
So I just tie it here?
I don't know.
It's supposed to be a lot like we did before, but right now we've also got the weighted straw and the hose.
Yes.
So I don't know how you do that.
Well, I mean,
you have to
slide this slow and slow.
to get the fillet to get an adapter from the hose from the regulator.
No other way to get the hose.
Right. But I didn't use the straw. I used the.
Okay, well then slide it out, then tighten up the knot.
Okay. Say bye. Wave at the camera.
I don't know if this is going to wait. Could have actually said mark it later. Pull the tube out and straw. Well,
But to make sure that you can undo that knot afterwards.
yeah. But you may have to put one gas in it. Well, it doesn't matter. Just turn it so it's down, and at least it won't leak out the bottom.
Are you still recording?
Now, are we heavy or light? We're light. I mean, we already have too much gas. Let go. I got it. Oh yeah. If that is correct, we got way too much gas in here already.
Okay.
Right?
The balloon looks supposed to look
Almost empty.
Yeah, it's looking.
Because remember, it's going to expand as it rises, and it's going to go all the way to like almost 40,000 feet, and then it will get taut. Right? How much thinner is the air at 40,000 feet? 1%. Yeah, because this stuff won't stretch. That's why we're using mylar. Latex stretches, mylar does not.
Let it out.
Well,
I'm going to very carefully
you've got
squeeze, very carefully.
So you probably got close to 30 liters of hydrogen in that balloon.
Can somebody else?
You're going to have to put the tube back in order to drain it. It won't drain. Yeah, you'll need. Well, you don't need the hose. You just need the straw. The tube, right?
good to know kind of.
Yeah, well, this is useful. This is useful. Somebody should take a picture of when it gets to the right inflation so we can make it a reference.
Yeah. In fact,
now take it out so that the gas is free to escape.
Hold on,
It's going to go to the tube.
when we get it right, can you stop the video and take a picture?
Yeah,
just stop it. Do I click it again?
You're gonna have to
Yeah.
take it out of the hose, or you're not
I
going
feel
to drain
it going
it.
down. Okay, it is. Not much. Yeah, I think we need to get more gas out. We were way over.
This is still connected though. It's not going back in sync.
No. Well, you would wedge it in there, didn't you? Yeah. Well, then see what you can do about getting the gas to escape around it.
There's a straw out here. The straw is in the front. I think it was about one.
I think that 30 millimeter got about twice the gas.
I think I feel it going down.
Oh.
It's slow if it is.
So, I think you need to take it out of the hose, Casey.
Yeah, but he really did a good job with the tape.
Oh, I see.
Get it
Okay.
out.
That's why I asked for the straw. We'll put the straw in.
Well, I'm feeling it go down. You want to try it again? We'll try it again right about here. Okay.
Does that get it?
Pinch it off like okay. Now tight. Oh, I'm holding on.
You have it? Okay.
I have it. Yeah. Go fight this. Why are we doing trust run? Instead of doing this in front of 1,000 students, getting impatient.
We have 1900.
Well, I guess maybe 1,000 will show up. I don't know. You did too good a job. Too much gas to do that.
How's that?
All right, now hold on so it doesn't get away from us. It's still light. How's the ballast now? Still too light. See? I knew we were putting way too much gas into it.
All right.
Okay, so we just keep going. Like so.
So, KC, I did this so
All right,
that
now
you
cut the
should.
balloon. So now I'm going to try to squeeze some more gas out.
All right.
It won't come out.
We need the straw.
No, we're good.
It needs to be opened up.
We're good.
It won't come out on its own. I guess that's the design. Because you don't really want it to come out on its own.
No, you got all that.
Now he undid the end. Yeah, so squeeze. It should come out now.
Oh, you did. Oh. Still a lot. I think it is. It's very, very slow.
Well, you're pushing it through all of this.
Yeah, but it's a very light, slippery gas, so it should be great. Oh, perfect. All right, you want to try it again? I felt it go down some. So, okay. Okay, let's try it now. Don't let it go. Just try it on again. You know, and it's still, you know, and we've also got the extra weight of the string too. So if anything, it's still going to be trouble.
So, note to self, we can poke a hole right here.
Yes, we should. We should, because we don't have to tie it to the neck like we do with the apex balloons. The gas are coming out. That's very true.
Got it? Not yet. All right, there we go.
Not yet a knot. Okay. Still light. Yeah, I hate to let it go.
Yeah.
Well, one issue we're close is that. Yeah, I got it. It's still light. Yeah, it's still light.
By a lot or a little?
No. Well, I mean, it's hot. I mean, you can see it. You can feel it for yourself.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I've got the straw, so.
It would be letting gas out.
How many, what is it? They get 1 liter per gram that you need for that?
1 liter per gram. In round numbers.
Yeah.
That's a little less.
So my eyeballing the bag thinks that you probably got at least 25 or 30 liters in there now, and you need 13
How many
or
are you?
13 or 14, whatever your math is.
That's 15 and a half.
Not go very high.
Yeah, it's 1 gram per liter.
Yeah, so you've got about
We're
twice the
going to be
gas.
a lot lower. We don't want to do that.
Oh, okay.
Based on that math.
So before I just kind of split it down.
For Monday,
punch a hole in
who's
there.
going to bring the
It'd be
wrench?
good for hanging the weight.
Oh, good idea.
Okay. All
I
right.
don't know how to just
We'll keep that in mind next on Monday.
I feel it coming out.
Feel it? Oh, yeah.
we probably should figure out how to
Oh yeah, Mr. Earnest set up the area that's like follows the regulations, right, for the tank cluster? Because I remember that being
We never did anything.
Oh really?
Are you going to be able to come on Monday morning, or do you have your job?
If you're launching it nice and early, like
Probably
before, say,
7:15 or so.
Yeah, if you're launching about that time, then yes. If you're going to get closer to 8 or 8:30, then no.
Okay, all right, try it again.
Okay.
I'll be on
We
an
have nothing
airplane.
we can right now punch a hole.
We've done
It's in my right pocket. My right pocket. Yeah. Probably punch a hole with that.
You want to do that now?
So why don't we try that? Yeah, I actually want to do it again. So
We actually have a hole.
That'd be best.
that'd be best, but this'll do for now. Just down way down in the tab, I think that's where I was going to do it.
You got it? Don't stab yourself.
Now, hopefully it doesn't.
Yeah, it may not be big enough because he's got a rather frayed
I
end.
hope it doesn't. Here, you cut the end.
Go ahead. Yeah, that doesn't need to be very long.
Jim, how goes it?
Still needs to be bigger.
How can I keep
You're
these
not gonna-
things?
You were a little too timid, Casey. I think we need
A little bigger.
to hold you a little
Well,
bigger.
okay.
You got plenty of room. He's bringing a paper punch. Of course, we can always punch it again.
I think we should probably make a list of things we need to make sure we bring when we go along.
That's why you want a checklist. No matter how many times you do it, you'll forget if you don't use a checklist.
Right through there.
See the other side. You can get it through.
Yeah,
There you go. Pull it through. Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay, now we're cooking. Okay. And that's probably good stuff.
Now you need to keep this piece too.
Oh, we're gonna weigh it.
So yeah, when we came off the string.
No, right now we're gonna balance it out, so we only need to weigh this part.
Oh, okay.
Right. All right. Because we're gonna go for neutral buoyancy. We're going for neutral buoyancy. Right?
Oh, we have wind.
Right. Now we have wind. So, okay, your job is to keep that from getting away. Once the wind dies down, and we'll very gently let go of it. Okay, and then you should not really lift this off the ground very far, but it is. Are we still light? I guess we are.
Sure, you're not a sail.
Yeah, you're not lifting it. You've got your hands on top of it. Right? Well, the wind is the problem. Yeah.
A little more gas out.
Well, let's wait for the wind to die.
See, now the problem is,
Great, doesn't much gas at all, does it?
yeah, if we figure out how much gas, then how do we measure that and put it in here?
Well, the way we're doing it now, that's what the purpose of the weight is. Well, to measure the gas.
We're going to take a picture of the
We're going to take a picture of it, so and now that we've done it, we really have a feel for how much gas.
I think Jim was saying it's a liter per gram, right?
Right.
Of hydrogen, so we could.
So we'd want about 15.5.
Including this time, it does include the weight of the balloon, right? Because it does have to lift its own weight.
Oh, so 52.9.
Grams?
Okay.
Liters.
I'm sorry,
You go ahead and vent some while you were waiting?
How much gas it should be? Right now. A little bit.
Yeah, it's not as. Yeah, it's good right now.
Okay, well, let's see. Let's straighten it up so, and I will keep my hand around it like this. It's rising. It's rising. So it's still too light.
Wow.
And it's not being blown away by the wind. Is it going up? Not sideways? Okay. Yeah. All right, well, let's let some more gas out. This is why we're doing this. I've never done this before. Okay. I don't feel gas. I don't feel the gas coming up. Here, there, right there. Hey there, big guy. Yeah, I can feel it. Actually, I feel it in my ear more than I hear it. They won't actually are your hands touching yet? They are touching. How much? Have you let a lot out? Or do you think just a little? Maybe a little more? Yeah, I can feel it on my thumb right here. Okay. Take it out now. See if it's right again. Once again, don't let it get away from you. Ready? Okay, go ahead. Still rising. But I think we're much closer now.
Well, yeah,
much closer.
I think you'd want a hair of a rise on it.
Well, no, this includes the free lift.
Oh, okay.
So if we did this right, we also have the string weight in here, which we didn't account for, right? If we did this right, it should just hover. Just lift off the ground and just hover. So when we tie the payload, and that's exactly what it's doing, if anything. Would you just let go just oink it now? The problem is that you're going to be putting a force on it. So tell you what, somebody stand here with a hand around and grab it if it gets away from me, okay? But I'll try to keep it from getting away from me. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. Now.
You gonna let go now?
I had let go. I was letting go. The problem is it was dragging now. It was dragging against my hand because of the wind. So
But it's a good thing to know how big that is, because that gives you an idea of...
Yeah. Should take pictures also on the
Well,
side.
we're recording this. Yeah.
Yeah, take pictures from the side.
Take
so you
some...
get a good feel for
Do you want to
still-
pause the video and then start it up again?
Okay. Or should we wait till we know for sure it's the right size though, or?
do not
wait.
do that, please. Yeah.
Is
Your job is to keep that payload engaged.
Is this for sure the right size?
Like what?
Like of the balloon.
How much gas? Is this the
Well, if we measured it correctly, we were very close.
All right.
Okay,
So,
I don't remember how fast.
It was something like in the small number of centimeters per second.
Really?
Yes.
So that's
Are we going to clear the mountain? And those power lines?
and planes?
Power lines is what I'm concerned about.
I don't know.
Centimeters per second?
Well, we can ask.
I mean,
him
with
before-
latex we get 5 meters per second.
Yeah,
is
we
usual set
we
rate.
can ask him before Monday.
Yeah.
And my Purdue-
Centimeters per second is dangerously low for me. I want more than that.
Yeah, after you measure, you should be able to listen.
I just noticed the power lines over there.
You're gonna be able to do it from the
Gas coming out. I feel it on my thumb. Yeah, I feel it on my thumb.
Oh no, I know what he said. He said when you get it, you add a penny, and if you add a penny and it doesn't go up, then you've got the right weight. You've got the right gas. That was what
Okay.
he said.
But
Okay.
estimate of the ascent rate.
okay.
The desired ascent rate would be very nice. Okay, try it one more time.
Anybody have a penny? I have a
And the wind kicks
nickel.
up again every time. This is called
I
Murphy's
thought there
Law.
was a video of it.
You ever heard of Murphy's Law?
That makes sense.
Yeah.
Anything that can go wrong will go wrong, usually at the worst possible time. That's Murphy's Law. First law of engineering. Okay, here we go. Let's try it now. It's going to rise until it comes off the ground.
Don't mind me just throwing money on the ground. Thanks.
I'm not dragging on the string, okay? All right. That
We can put it in the weight.
close, except the wind is. But I'm not touching. I'm not putting any force at all on the string.
I am.
But you're pushing down on it?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So we still have too much. Wow. Doesn't take much at all, but it kind of makes sense. If you ever see very large balloons being launched, they kind of look like this. They're like almost all empty. There's a little bubble on the top. When you get up to altitude, it's huge. All right. Want to take a little more out? Yep. Yeah. The pressure of the atmosphere drops exponentially at altitude. That's a lot. It's a lot thinner up there. And that gas doesn't have anywhere to go, so now.
Is it venting?
You've got plenty of hydrogen to launch a whole bunch of these. It's not taking that much hydrogen.
I feel like my hands are touching.
They are touching?
Yeah,
Okay.
they're
All right. It's just a little now.
Probably could have launched.
Well, yeah, you are gonna have to squeeze to get any gas out at this point, I think.
There's a
Wait, now?
We've got a lot. We've got a 1,000 psi. Whatever that converts to out of that.
About half tank, right?
All right.
Aren't they full with about 2,000 psi?
I honestly don't know, Phil.
I seem to recall that.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it. My hands around it. Okay, now let's see if
And the wind.
And the wind. Once again. Okay, walk it towards me, right? Keep pushing vertical. I got my hands safely around it, so let's see if it gets off the ground now. You ready to go? Okay, it's right.
This one.
I think there was a lull in the wind. Walk it towards me, keep the string vertical. And I'll grab it if it gets out. I think I can grab it if it gets out. So just let go. I think it might have still been a little light, but it might have also been a wind. But I think we're very close. I think we're very close right now.
So if it's going now and you just add the pennies, then it should not go at all.
Probably. A penny is a couple grams, right?
Yeah, that's what
that's a lot. That's a lot. That's 2 liters. That's 2 liters of gas.
Anyone have a penny?
Okay.
Oh, there we go.
Are you pushing it down?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. All right. So it's still light, but all right. You want to stick this on and see? Okay. Okay. Let it go. Okay. It's dragging against my hand, but I'm not gripping.
That looks good.
I'm not gripping. Okay.
All right.
There's a little friction against my hand. Let's switch. I'll grab it because it starts to
I would say let's glue it.
Okay, still, yeah, I think you're right, it's wind. All right, well, get some pictures of it so we know about what it's supposed to look like.
All right, I'll stop the
You
video.
can see, you could try, like, pressing together near the bottom to see how far up you can hold it. Okay, we'll just leave this in the classroom and see, if there's any gas over the next few days.
So are we all turned off on here?
Yes.
I don't want to.
She's waiting for a penny back.
Need your penny back? So you want to donate your penny?
That's investing in education. And I think it's reverse threaded.
And we'll stay there. Something. Latex is very, very weak. It just keeps expanding until eventually it's just blows up. In our videos. Pretty amazing. It's just trickling in that spaghetti. That's pretty close. I'd say we probably couldn't do any better than that. I mean, now it's probably riding the thermal gradients in the classroom. I discovered that at Belfort years ago when I was working late at night. Somebody had one of these balloons, and I was putting binary clips on it to weigh it down and get it buoyant. I noticed not only would it follow the ventilation system around the building, but it would seek out a thermofly, right where it was exactly neutrally buoyant, the warm air on the top and cold on the bottom.
So it's not. Oh, okay, never mind.
I'd say we're pretty close. That's mine. Yes, thank you.
I was going to say it concerns me that it's not rising, but it's up against.
No, it's not supposed to.